Introducing the OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite 5G, the crowd favorite is back. This incredible phone starts at just 18,999 rupees. Mark your calendars. The sale begins on May 12, 2026 at 12 p.m. IST. Millions have chosen the Nord CE series, a lineage that guarantees your satisfaction. The OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite claimed the highest selling spot, and the CE3 Lite broke launch day records on Amazon. Buyers consistently chose the series above all others. The new generation makes three massive leaps. It features the segment's fastest engine, the segment's biggest battery, and the segment's highest refresh rate. The OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite 5G is the segment's fastest smartphone, featuring the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Apex processor. Achieving an Antutu score of over 1.03 million, this engine effortlessly handles heavy gaming and intense multitasking. The chassis holds a massive 7,000 mAh battery, offering up to 2 days of power. The battery maintains its health for 6 years. The box includes a 45W SUPERVOOC fast charger, so you can work all day and play all night. Experience a fast, bright, and fluid display with the 6.72-inch IPS LCD screen. The display refreshes at an industry-leading 144 Hz. At 1,000 nits of peak brightness, you will see clear details even under direct sunlight. Capture stunning photos with the 50MP plus 2 megapixels dual rear camera and an 8MP selfie lens. Choose up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable up to 2 TB. The device carries an IP64 rating, resisting dust and water splashes. Choose your statement. The OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite 5G is available in 2 stunning colors, Vivid Mint and Hyper Black. Premium finish meets durable design. Take advantage of the HDFC Bank offer with an instant 2,000 rupees discount and 6 months no-cost EMI. The net effective price starts at 18,999 rupees for the 6 GB plus 128 GB variant. OnePlus protects your purchase anywhere, everywhere, all at once. Enjoy 600+ service centers, free pickup and drop, a 15-day replacement policy, and a 1-year product warranty. The sale begins on May 12, 2026, starting at 12 p.m. IST. Secure your OnePlus Nord CE6 Lite 5G, available on Amazon.in and the OnePlus India online store.